Hello children, welcome to today's Cultural and Creative Art class. In today's class, our topic is Meaning of Life Drawing. Our topic is Meaning of Life Drawing. Life drawing is the drawing of human beings or figure from observation, reward of a living model. Life drawing is a drawing of human beings or figure from observation of a living model. Identification of part of the body. Number 1, head. Number 2, hands. Number 3, stomach. And number 4, legs. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.